Alright guys, good evening to all. Good evening to each and everyone, and to all my subscribers out there who are watching right now. Okay, tonight I will show to you my new specimen guys. It is an spherical stone, spherical rock. Okay, I prospected this. This is came from the galaxy guys. Okay, its color is like a silver guys, and there's something gold color mixed with its color guys. Okay, I prospect this as a meteorite guys, or what kind of a stone is this guys. Okay, let's focus on the on the texture of this kind of a specimen guys. Okay, that is the form and the texture of this specimen. I didn't on my lights of my camera guys, because if I on the lights of this camera, the color turns to yellow or gold guys. Okay, but the actual color is silver. This is the actual color of this kind of a meteorite. But actually this specimen won't attract magnet 100%. It attracts magnet only partially, or initially attracts magnet. Okay, like this guys. Okay, let's put a magnet guys. Okay, it won't attract magnets 100% guys. Okay, let's focus it again. Okay, anybody who can give a comment, please comment down guys if you have an experience or an idea about this kind of a stone or a rock. Okay, I just clean this by a brush and a water guys. I don't polish it because I don't have polish. I can't afford to pay any substances or chemical to polish this kind of a stone guys. Okay, if ever you have an idea about this, okay, you can just comment down directly. Okay guys, this is the back portion, so shiny like metal guys, but this is only a stone. Okay, for those who are interested on this kind of a specimen, this is 2 kilos guys. This is only small. It can be handled only in one hand guys, but this is 2 kilos. Its weight is not normal. Okay, I know there are interested collectors about this. Okay, just contact me through my messenger guys. Okay, my contact number of YouTube. Okay, I have also a contact number there. Okay, let's get a distance on this. Okay, just comment down guys what is your idea about this kind of a stone. Please comment down. This is not polished. Okay, if there are interested about this guys, okay, this is for sale. But I'm not sure what kind of specimen is this. I'm not sure if this is a meteorite or nickel, or I'm sure this is not an iron meteorite, because it won't attract magnet 100%. It only attracts magnet 20% only guys. Okay, I think that's all guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Lolo Jerry's BG, the Working Lulu, and the Onyx Black, the Stone Blogger guys. Okay, thank you very much and good evening.